Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Febfoxs home video projector. So I got this specifically for my channel because I want to play games on my channel, and I got it specifically for the Xbox Series S, Apex Legends. Basically, we're gonna play a few other games other than Apex Legends. Somebody pointed out in my comments that I need to play Battlefield 2024. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start with Apex Legends. I have to adjust my settings. New season 17, ballistics out there, and we got a lot of changes to the game. But this is the unboxing of the Febfoxs home theater projections. So I'm going to pop this open. And let's see here what we got here. All right, pulling out the case. Oh wow. Okay, so it's this side up. We're going to toss this box over there to the side, and we're going to continue with the unboxing. And like I said, this is mainly for my Xbox Series S, and I want to bring new content. Wow, okay, so I want to bring new content. Okay, so this is the most important piece of everything here. This is the most important piece of everything here. This is their service card. It says, "We hope you never have the need, but if you do, our services is friendly and hassle-free. If you have any issue with your item, please give us your order number and address. Send you a new replacement." So I guess they're saying they're going to send you a new replacement. So there's that. All right. So then we have the manual, which is going to come in handy. We've got the power cord. We've got the remote. Remote looks like this. Decent remote, okay. Then we've got an HDMI cable. I'm going to use the HDMI cable that came with my Xbox. So I'm going to keep this and put that up. I'm not going to use that, but I'm going to put it up. Then we got the AV cables. So there's that. And right there, you've got the screw to adjust for when you want to make it stand up a little bit. You got the screw for the adjust underneath the bottom. All right, let's crack this puppy open. And let's see what we're working with here. The padding in this case is pretty good. It's a pretty good case, carrying case right here. So if you're on the go and you have to go somewhere, you got your case for it. All right, we're sliding it out of the plastics, and this is what we're looking at here. Not sure how much of that you can see because I also got a ring light, and it's attached to the ring light. But like I said, this is for Apex Legends for me to play with my Xbox Series S. The connections here, you got two HDMIs, you got two USBs, you got an audio jack, and you have the AV jack, AV connection. So this particular model, to protect the screen, to protect the lens, it's a door. It's a sliding door, which you're not going to lose your lens cap. I try to think of everything that pertains to me when I make a purchase. Losing the lens cap, I'm a retired photographer, so yeah, losing the lens cap, it happens. You've got your focus up top. You got your keystone down the bottom. And you have your menu keys right here, which are pretty decent. In the back, you have VGA. This is the infrared. That's where your power cord goes. On the bottom, this particular screw in the middle would be for the mount from the ceiling mount. This would be the one that you put in, the one that we saw earlier. This one here would go in here in order to raise it, so that is raised up. It's got the anti-slipping grips, 4 of those around the sides. You've got speaker, and you've got a dust cover. Got a not a dust cover, but you've got a dust filter right here. Pull that dust filter right out there, and that's the dust filter. I'm not pulling it all the way out, I just got it. We're not going to wreck anything before we get this thing up and running, but that was the unboxing. And inside this video, we're going to, after I set up, we're going to see how this performs. See y'all in a few minutes. It's hot in here.